All right, so we're off to go get something. Threw battery in, some gas, and run there. See if I can get it fixed up. Not really fixed up, but a new battery, some gas in it. See if I can drive it all the way back out here. Probably a 15-mile drive, but it hasn't ran and drove in quite a few years, so stay tuned. See if we can get her fired up. All right, got a battery thrown in. I'm gonna go ahead and grab some gas. Figure out what tank I'm gonna put it in. Smells like a dirty hamper in here, but I guess. It's been sitting here a lot of years. She's pretty well intact. Got the winch on it, says it works. Dually. Got her running. Well, she's alive and driving down the road. So we're gonna dip off here and take all the back county roads. Get to the shop, hopefully. Hopefully she stays alive that long. Fun little project. Sadly, made it about 3 miles and we broke down. So we have this bottle of gas. And I'm gonna see if I can get her to reprime because it lost fuel. See if she'll start and stay running. I put 4 gallons of fuel in the tank I'm using, so either the filter just plugged up or we ran out of gas fast. Fuel pump died, but I'm thinking we're probably out of gas. I will get rescue and we'll get more gas and then we'll take off again. Next morning. Well, there she sits. Last night got a little late. Thought it ran out of gas. Put gas in it. There's a hole in the fuel tank. Wasn't there before. So, fuel tank dumped out everywhere. Well, guess what? It's dented in. What was I driving down? Gravel road. So I assume gravel bounced, hit the rotted tank, blew a hole in it. So, there we sat. Dead in the road. So anyways, it was only a few miles from home, so we just hooked a rope to it and drug it to where it sits here. So I'll be back on this in the future, but in the meantime, I'll give you guys a little walk around since I didn't when I picked it up. So I was busy dealing with the guy. 2 tanks. Gonna ditch one. This side goes over there. This one goes right here. Gonna just keep driver's side tank, ditch, passenger side, run new fuel line up to the mechanical pump for now. But storage box has a boom for the back, pins in back here, and then you can run that cable, goes up and over, and then you can pick stuff at an angle out back here. So that's there. Ramps, another storage box. I think this is a 18 foot, not a 16-foot bed, but I haven't taped it. That's just what I was told. It was a car hauler. Guy used it for hauling cars for years. Came with a dash. Actually comes with all new doors. Oh, I got it locked. 1 second. Comes with all new doors, front clip, hood. Has bucket seats, turbo 400 with a 454. Center console. Gave me a dash top for it. It's in actually really good shape. Few minor cracks. This one's seen a lot of sun, so it'll go away. I'll paint that one. And the back seat, I don't know the condition. Electric windows and locks. It's really good shape. So, anyways, that's the interior. Needs some work. You can see some rust there. Have an idea for the future. And 454 big block power. So I have an idea in the future for this, but we won't get to it for a while. So we'll just make this one run and live and have fun. Short little video on the adventure of this pickup. Just kind of show you guys what we got going on. And we'll get this thing up and going for some future project, you know, hauling. We'll pick stuff up, drop stuff off, maybe do some ramp truck burnouts. Anyways, stay tuned, like and subscribe if you guys want to see more of this along the way.